Understanding innocent expression in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of the English language, innocent expression. This phrase might seem straightforward, but it's packed with nuance and subtlety. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding what innocent expression means will help you appreciate the richness of English communication. Let's get started. Innocent expression refers to a look or gesture that suggests purity, naivety, or lack of guilt. It's often used to describe someone's facial expression that conveys they are harmless or without any bad intentions. This can be particularly important in storytelling, where a character's innocent expression might mislead other characters or the audience about their true intentions or knowledge. To better understand innocent expression, let's look at some examples. A child looking at a broken vase with wide eyes and a surprised face, suggesting they had nothing to do with it. A person being accused of a mistake at work might show an innocent expression to convey they are not at fault. In literature or movies, characters might use an innocent expression to escape suspicion. Recognizing these expressions can add depth to your interpretation of characters and narratives. Now, let's see how to incorporate innocent expression into sentences. Despite the evidence against him, he maintained an innocent expression. Her innocent expression convinced everyone that she was unaware of the surprise party planned for her. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe situations where someone's appearance of innocence plays a key role in their interactions with others. Understanding the phrase, innocent expression, enriches your comprehension and use of the English language, especially in nuanced social and literary contexts. It's a beautiful example of how facial expressions and body language can convey a wide range of meanings, often more powerfully than words. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing your English, and don't be afraid to express yourself, whether innocently or otherwise. See you in the next video.